when something like this shows up, somebody's been working at before you sort of heard sinks, but I'm kind of hopeful this, and somebody's stripped this down, not put it together properly. The label's gone of it, but I think it's a brushed Milwaukee Impact driver, so I'm going to open it and see what I can do. Nice. You can see that there's one piece missing. The slider that activates the switch, anti-forward and reverse, it's gone. The light was in the wrong place. There's excessive wear in the brushes. So if I can get an old slider and a set of brushes from my collection, I might be able to fix this. I've located a pair of brushes, or set of brushes should I say, that are compatible. These are out of a brush drill, so they're the same. So we can use them, and also I'm hoping the slider out of this is the same one. This is a fuel one that's beyond its serviceable life. So we'll try that. Well, it's not the same, so I'm just going to have to try and fix it and possibly get the other part later on. And this bearing is not good either. Anyway, I think I'll put a set of brushes in her, put her together and see if we can get her to go. And if it goes, I'll have to get a bearing, I'll have to get one of the wee sliders somewhere. I had to use different screws. Nothing's ever straightforward in the shadowy underworld of power tool repair, is it? Let's her back together now, I'd say. So the moment of truth. Here I can put a battery in her, see if she goes. There's the battery in. Haven't managed to get a slider to shift her from forward to reverse, and the bearing is gone, but we'll try it anyway. So if I get a bearing and a slider for that, I'll be in business. That's how you fix a Milwaukee Impact driver if you haven't got all the parts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Check out my other videos for more of this kind of carry on. Thank you.